Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to be talking about cruise line stocks. And some people out there are probably like,
Why would you talk about cruise line stocks for? Don't you know that they're a disaster?
when an industry like this drops down so much, there really isn't no right or wrong way to think about it. I can see both people's opinions. If you are someone that wants to stay away from cruise line stocks, or if you're someone that wants to hop into cruise line stocks while they're low. But the stocks that we're going to talk about in this video are going to be Carnival Cruise, ticker symbol CCL, Royal Caribbean, ticker symbol RCL, and Norwegian Cruise Line, ticker symbol NCLH. So in less than 2 months, Carnival Cruise stock has lost more than half its value. And Carnival pays a dividend of 50 cents every quarter. So now at this current stock price, their dividend yield is over 7%. Let's look at their balance sheet. They have total cash of a little over $500 million, and their total debt is $11.52 billion. And if you look at their income statement, you'll see that they bring in a lot of revenue, and their net income is about $3 billion. So now let's hop on over to Royal Caribbean. So mid-January, they're trading for $135 a share. And now at the time of making this video, they're at $48 a share. And looking at Royal's balance sheet, they got about $250 million in cash and a total debt of $11.8 billion. And looking at their income statement, their net income is $1.88 billion. Now let's hop on over to Norwegian Cruise Line, and their stock has dropped down to a third of its value from where it was mid-January. Norwegian does not pay a dividend, and their total cash on hand is $250 million, and their debt is $7 billion. And looking at Norwegian's income sheet, their net income is $930 million. So it's going to be no surprise when these cruise lines report that their revenue is going to be slowing down a lot. They might not even be profitable for a period of time. But the good news is they all three do have some cash on hand, and their debt pretty much is just related to their ships themselves. I mean, these things do cost around probably $1 billion to even make one, with everything they have on them. And with their ships being so expensive, their assets are worth well more than what their debt is. So that would also be good in their favor if they were to go get another loan with interest rates being so low as they are right now. And I wouldn't be surprised if Carnival and Royal were to cut their dividends completely, or if not in half. I mean, even if they were in half, they'd both still be pretty good yielding. But most likely they're probably going to get rid of them. I wouldn't be surprised about that. And Norwegian, they didn't have a dividend, so they actually had the lower debt of the three. And all three of these companies, they're offering incentives to try to, generate more business, to keep people coming in. They're doing everything they can to try to get their customers to keep their reservations, and also to try to get, people to take a cruise. But pretty much I'm sure that 2020 is a wash for their industry. They're probably going to be focusing a lot this year on trying to just do damage control to just keep things cruising along there. No pun intended with that, actually. So for me, I am interested in investing into this industry at some point. Not right now, because it's still very much a falling knife scenario. But I do want to jump on this when things start looking like, hey, they might be, starting to recover. There might be some huge gains that I can benefit from that, because this is still going to be a big industry. Right now, not so much. And with interest rates being so low like they are right now, and I think if these companies were to run out of their cash and have a hard time paying their debt, they would just go get another loan. It'd be no problem for them with how much assets they have. So I'd like to know what people's opinions are on these cruise line stocks. Is anybody out there looking to jump into them, or are you pretty much just trying to stay away from them? I'd like to know. Anyways, as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video coming very soon.